Good day, everyone. Math with Chris. Here we are going to find the factors of 64. 64 is kind of a unique number. You'll see what I mean shortly. All right, so but first thing we do is we bank the two easiest numbers. Don't forget step one. The two easiest numbers to bank are, of course, 1 and the number itself, 64. Okay, what are two numbers that multiply together to give us 64? I got a couple of options here. Why don't we go with 8 times 8? That's a perfect square. 64 is 8 times 8. Let's do 8 first. Can you break down 8 any further? You can. 8 is, of course, 4 times 2. You can break the 4 down further. 4 is, of course, 2 times 2. So 2 is prime number. Circle all these 2's. Got a bunch of them. And the other side is going to give us, of course, the same thing. 4 times 2. The 4 is going to be broken down into 2 times 2. And we just got a bunch more 2's. Look, 2's all over the place. When you go down your prime, your factor tree, every number you hit at the end of any branch you take is a circled prime number. That means you're done. In this case, look at this. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 2's. 6 2's. Let's multiply those all out. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Is that 6? That is. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 is 64. That's what we're looking for. So the prime factors of 64 are 6 2's basically. So let's put the 2 in our factor bank. That's the only prime number we found. Let's bank the 2. And then any other number we hit along the way in the factor tree. We got an 8 at one point. We had a 4 at one point. So we can put the 4 and we can put the 8. And is there anything else we need to bank? Well, the first thing we got to do is come down here and see if there's any combination of these numbers we can use to multiply together to give us a new number that's not in the bank yet. Well, 2 times 2, we already have a 4. 2 times 2 times 2, we already have an 8. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, that's 16. We don't have that yet. Let's put 16 in there. And then 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, so 5 of the 2's. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 is 32. We don't have that. And that is all the combinations. Here we have 7 factors for 64. Side note, you're always going to have an even number of factors, but in this case we have an odd number. We have 7. The only time you're going to have odd number of factors is when the number is a perfect square, which in this case it is. So that means we know that that's right, or that's 7 is a reasonable number of factors for 64 to have. And we're done. These are the factors of 64. There are 7 of them. They are 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, and 64. That was fun. All right, we're done with finding the factors of 64. Got a bunch more of these. If you need more practice, check out some additional videos. I hope you guys found it helpful, and see you next time. See you real soon. Thanks, guys.